A long time has passed since my last video. I'm sitting on a lot of footage that I just don't want to go through. So I'm just going to do a quick catch up so we know where things are and I can get on with life. Just to remind you, or tell you, that this video is part of a series of a lockdown guitar where you're making guitars with what you've got. And since I started this, loads of other people are doing it as well. Not that I created the idea, but have a look in the description to see who else is doing it. You might enjoy some of them. As a catch-up, this guitar's body came from these old knackered pieces of teak that were in my brother's garden. Part of an oak staircase. And the fretboard is a skirt off a table. So what have I done since the last video? I've now roughed out the neck, and it's in good shape actually. I did cut the fret slots and then I filled them up again because the razor saw I was using, this little guy, is not really the tool for the job, and it was cutting wobbly lines. I think this was okay when I did it on an MDF fretboard, but yeah, didn't work here. I've since got a Sheffield steel proper fretting saw, so let's hope that does the job. Well, it will. Whether I can or not is a different matter. So yeah, the reason for doing this was so I could get on with this. After doing the body, after doing the neck, that's a template. And the reason for making a template was so I knew what area needed to stay flat and what area I could carve away from. I also made a rather chunky router table, which I can clamp to the table and won't be going anywhere. I mean, what kind of idiot builds a router table and then checks to see if it's flat? So I started doing the carve on the top using the method described by Chris from King Bespoke Recording Creations. I'll put a link downstairs. Basically, it's facet carving. You divide the square edge by facets and then cut that material away, and then eventually you can smooth round. The reason being, it's not just one big round over. I want it to swoop and then go down, which you can't really do with a router bit. Well, you could, but right, that's where I am, and now with that weight off my mind, I can then get on with the next videos and actually making this guitar. Remember, there are other people also making videos with what they got laying around. So yeah, check out their links downstairs. And with that, I'll get on with this. I'll see you next time.